Hey guys, welcome to our channel, Chill on YouTube. As you become involved in the new digital monetary mechanisms known as cryptocurrency, it doesn't take long to recognize there are risks involved in these transactions. Scams are everywhere online, and cryptocurrency exchanges are no different. As you consider investing in other startups and exchange platforms, be aware of the possibilities of losing your cryptocurrency investments. Here is a scam story that just took place with one of my close friends. It's a scam that all of you need to be aware of, involving the online crypto trading platform called tradegain.live. So, my friend said, I was determined to learn cryptocurrency trading as a prospect business, as I was convinced that this business can be a turning point in my life. I reached out to a crypto trading software company after paying $200 to a mentor on YouTube as a course learning fee. He assured me that it was a trusted and profitable platform, so I had to join that crypto trading platform called tradegain.live. The website offers nothing much in terms of details of investment, and it violated all kinds of consumer rights within terms and conditions upon capital and future profits. As I already was determined to learn how to trade, I aspiringly chose one of the beginner's investment plans worth $1,300 to kickstart my crypto business in Bitcoin. In the first week, the platform showed significant profits with a massive ROI on my investment. It went from $1,300 to $3,200 and then jumped up to $10,000. As proof, we have the trade gain profit chart that trade gain was showing. But later on, things unfolded very differently when I decided to withdraw my profits. They asked to invest at least a minimum of $2,000 to upgrade to the next level just to withdraw my initial gains. And not only that, but they also charged a partial deposit fee on new deposits. This simply means withdrawal by paying fees for partial deposits, and the way you can make your final exit is by paying 20% out of your profit account. We are sharing emails from TradeGain that explicitly say unless the customer pays 20%, until then, they cannot withdraw a single penny out of all of that earned profit that were actually fake. These professional scammers had not mentioned anything significant in their investor's guide on their landing page. So here is a first-hand story of online fraud from tradegain.live platform. We are sharing this story to warn people to be careful of these scams on the internet nowadays. So please share this story to prevent others from making the same mistake that my friend did. So, to avoid these scams while looking into digital cryptocurrency companies and startups, experts recommend that you confirm that they're blockchain powered, which means that they track detailed transaction data. TradeGain was not. Also, check that they are a solid business that solves real problems. Companies should specify their digital currency liquidity and ICO rules. There should be real people behind the company. If the startup you're investing lacks some of these characteristics, think through your decision even more carefully. Here are the top 5 cryptocurrency scams and ways to avoid them. So please share this video. So without any further ado, let's dive in. Number 5, imposter websites. You may be following a solid tip from someone with a lot of expertise, but still become a victim by accidentally visiting a fake website. There's a surprisingly number of websites that have been set up to resemble original valid startup companies. If there isn't a small lock icon indicating security near the URL bar and no HTTPS in the site address, think twice. Even if the site looks identical to the one you think you're visiting, you may find yourself directed to another platform for payment. For example, you click on a link that looks like a legitimate site, but attackers have created a fake URL with a zero in it instead of the letter O, that platform, of course, isn't taking you to the cryptocurrency investment that you've already researched, it's taking you somewhere else. To avoid this, carefully type the exact URL into your browser. Double check it too. Number 4, unregulated brokers. Be careful who you trust your cryptocurrency portfolio with. There are dozens of unregulated online trade game brokers and exchanges, and, like in most scamming schemes, they lure customers with low prices, competitive trading products, and quick returns, just like tradegain.live. After you make the deposit, it will become increasingly hard to withdraw your money. Sounds familiar like TradeGain. For instance, they would ask for high commissions or conjure up bogus reasons why you can't withdraw your funds or gain. Worst case scenario, they stop returning your calls and run away with your money. Number 3, scamming emails. Even if it looks exactly like an email you received from a legitimate cryptocurrency company, be careful before investing your digital currency. Is the email the exact same, and are the logo and branding identical? Can you verify that the email address is legitimately connected to the company? The ability to check on this is one of the reasons why it's so important to choose a company that has real people working for it. If you have any doubts about an email, ask someone who works there. And never click on a link in a message to get to a site. Scammers often announce fake ICOs, or initial coin offerings, as a way to steal substantial funds. Don't fall for these fake email and website offers. Take your time to look over all the details. Unfortunately, there are many ways that some internet users exploit insecure computing systems to mine or steal cryptocurrency. Learn more about staying safe and protecting yourself in this emerging market before you start investing in cryptocurrency. Number 2, Ponzi schemes. Bernie Madoff may have been one of the most well known Ponzi schemers. He did it with mainstream investments. But the principle of a pyramid scheme, in which you take money from new investors to pay previous investors, can be applied to cryptocurrency scams. In 2019, 3 men were arrested in a $722 million cryptocurrency fraud scheme. The men operated BitClub Network for years. The scheme solicited money from investors in exchange for shares of cryptocurrency mining pools. It also supposedly rewarded investors for recruiting new investors. As you can imagine, the investors never got any returns on their investments in the end. Number 1, DeFi rug pulls. DeFi rug pulls, the latest type of scams to hit the cryptocurrency market. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, aims to decentralize finance by removing gatekeepers for financial transactions. In recent times, it has become a magnet for innovation in the crypto ecosystem. But the development of DeFi platforms is beset with its own problem. Bad actors have made away with investor funds via such avenue. This practice, known as a rug pull, has become especially prevalent as DeFi protocols have become popular with crypto investors interested in magnifying returns by hunting down yield-bearing crypto instruments. Smart contracts that lock in funds for a specified period of time are the most popular method for programmers to steal funds. When the contract expires or reaches a previously set threshold limit, developers generally use programming functions to steal Bitcoin from it. In December 2020, a group of developers stole $750,000 worth of wrapped Bitcoin, Ether, and a bunch of other cryptocurrencies from Compounder Finance, a DeFi platform. So, here you have the most common ways that you can fall into a scam in cryptocurrency. So, this is the end of the video. Top 5 cryptocurrency scams and how to avoid them. We hope you really enjoyed it. Thanks for tuning in. Share, share, share more than ever. You will be doing a good thing to let everybody know how to avoid these scams like tradegain.live. And if you're curious on which platforms you should use to invest in cryptocurrency, please watch our video on the top 5 apps for trading cryptocurrency. And before you go, subscribe, like, and share the video, and don't forget, hit the bell icon to check out our interesting videos made just for you.